Hello everybody. Wanted to bring you on a walkthrough of the shop with me. Finally getting it organized. There's Mert, the 73 280. Got our shop tunes over here. Big old Yamaha house speakers, turntable, spare parts, oil, whatnot. Wall decorations, plasma cutter, arc welder, the Kubota, the mountains, the big old Campbell house field. There's Gretchen, 77 300D. Great car. Big old organized craftsman chest. Luxury seating area. There's Carl the SD. Another very organized workbench. Kim the Fintail. Great car. There's the big old Super Duty. Pile of organized equipment. And Wilma, the 250 CE, everyone's favorite green car. But we're getting everything picked up here. Nice little workspace. Beats the hell out of working on the side of the street.